Hey guys, Gavin here. Today we're going to be doing a video of the 52-inch Hollow Breeze Cheshire ceiling fan installed in my sister's room. And it has a dimmer right here. And I'll give you a closer look at it. And the shades. And the pull chains. Extensions. There's the blade irons. Show you the oak side. And yeah. And yeah. So I'm demonstrate it so I don't have the light. And as you can see, the bulb is burnt out right now. Not a big deal. And to show you, I'll dim it for you. So low. No. Oh. Makes a buzzing noise. As you can see, this thing is really loud. I actually don't know why. He's low. Yeah, so I'll turn on medium. Very buzzy. Thanks because of that thing. High speed. The blade iron was badly bent down. Here's the light with the fan on high. Dim it for you up with the fan. Shut it off. So yeah. Put it back the way I found it when I came here. Thanks for watching. See you later. See you on the next video. Bye.